Good morning, guys. We are getting ready to launch the kayak here into the local river right here, and we're gonna fish for about an hour and a half and see if nothing's biting this morning. The water's a lot lower than it was the first time I went on the river this year, so hopefully it'll be a lot better. So let's get going. Perfect. Okay. Let's get loaded up, boys. Okay, guys, we just got onto the river. Forgot to tie on one of my lines before I got on here, so I'm going to tie that up real quick. I'm going to be throwing a Helgramite for the first thing this morning. Current is moving pretty good, but the water is fairly low. Like, I was bottoming out there just for a little bit before we got, down the river just a bit. So we're going to try to hit some log jams and see if we can't get anything. We only got an hour and a half before I got something I got to go to, so it doesn't give us a lot of time, but hopefully we can catch something. So let's see what we get. Okay, we got the Helgramite tied on. Yeah, be a good bait. Got a little weighted hook. Be perfect. I'm gonna try that out a bit. Yeah, there we go. Tiny. Better than nothing. Okay. Get a release on it. Okay, didn't catch this one on camera either, but got a cool little rock bass here. Looks good, looks good. Let's get a release. Okay, guys, we've been fishing for almost an hour now, and it's just I've been working back upstream, and I've just been taking my time. It's just flat out beautiful. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and I've seen a bald eagle, some deer, and it's just, yeah, caught 2 fish, which you've seen already, but we're gonna just keep working our way upstream back to the launch, and hopefully we can catch something on the way. It's a lot of log jams and a lot of shallow water right now, so hopefully we can get on something. just got out of the water, and I'm heading out of here. I didn't catch anything else, so I do think I got the Hellgrammite dialed in, though. I switched from a 3-inch to a 2-inch, and that's when I instantly caught 2 fish. Now they're smaller fish, but I'd rather catch quantity than a big fish. So yeah, hopefully I get back out here sometime this week and catch some more. But yeah, just wasn't a super hot day, so yeah, hopefully I can get some more in the next video. So thanks for watching.